correct me nga, baka mamaya mali ako. Is this your first time together, working together?
Yes.
Ayun na. So how was it muna, working in this film? Ano yung mga na-discover nyo din with each other? Kasi, oo nga pala, JC is more on ABS and Rian is we all know, a loyal kapuso talaga. So how was it?
I really enjoyed the whole experience. Sobra talagang, totoo yung sinabi kanina ni Tita Ces, na talagang napaka-generous niya as an actor. If there's anything that he can do to help you in the scene, he will. At saka, even if it's, parang kayo, sorry. He will go farther than what it takes na para bang hindi lang yung acting part yung gagawin niya, pero kung pwede siya mag-contribute dun sa lines, pwede din siya kung ano yung mas natural niyang sasabihin, di ba na pag-uusapan natin before scenes kung may papalitan. Ayun, talagang ini-imbibe niya talaga what would Ryan do? What would Ryan say? So, ayun. It really helped me. It made my job super easy.
JC.
Actually, hindi lang si Ria. Everybody here is easy to work with. As in, wala naman, ito yung masarap sa idea ng collaboration eh. Minsan talaga natutugma kayo, minsan hindi. At kadalasan dito sa grupo na to, nagtutugma kami lahat eh. Na-enjoy namin yung process, even the challenges of it. So, working with Rian, ako, until now, I'm still honored. I mean, this is Rian Ramos. Ako, isa siya sa parang check bucket list na pwede sana maging makatrabaho ko, and it's happening now. At nakita ko yung process niya, nakita ko yung kung paano siya magtrabaho, and I enjoyed every moment of it. At nakita ko yung dedication kung paano siya kung paano niya ibigay yung truth ng scene. So ako, super sulit sa akin yun. At para ako, kasi minsan nanonood ako eh. Hindi lang ako, minsan nakalimutan ako mag-react. Kasi, uy, galing mo na. So I find clever things in those things. I don't even Tita Ces. Diba? And binigyan kami ng magandang freedom ni Direk para sa mga roles namin. At nakakatuwa kasi nabigay namin yung personality namin dun sa para maganda yung script.
Actually, totoo naman. Nakita ko siya sa trailer. Ayan. Tama ba? Parang it started with a one-night stand. Tama ba? Ayun nga. So, curious lang ako. In real life ba, have you ever, yung alam mo yung, although, have you ever parang, hindi naman fantasize, kung hindi parang, minsan, parang masarap din yung ganong kind of love or kind of relationship, if you get what I mean. May mga ganon din ba in real life?
Feeling ko kaya sagutin ni Poca.
Sige. Or ikaw.
Uy, Ate Rose!
Sige.
I love you!
Alam nyo, sorry hindi ko alam kung ito ay inspired din. Pero kasi, I'm sure lahat tayo nasa Facebook. Palagi may mga lumalabas doon ng mga Chinese reels.
Yes.
Or Chinese movies na, mga short movies na palaging ang pinaka-premise niya yung start with a one-night stand, tapos mga billionaire, and then they end up really, ha? Ano?
Algorithm mo yun.
Ayun na! So, hindi naman ako magde-deny.
Nakaka-addict naman talaga.
Pero one-night pala lumalabas sa'yo.
Hindi ako magde-deny, but anyway, yun nga.
Ako, syempre when you're young, wild and free, diba? Siguro doon papasok yung mga ganong iisipin mo. First, gusto mo ng bad boy, or gusto mo ng, yung ganon, yung parang, pero syempre, bilang lumaki akong artista ako, mas careful naman ako. But syempre, when you're younger, you have those thoughts din na parang, lalo na pag hindi mo pa alam kung what a relationship takes. Iisipin mo na yung mga meet cute lang, and that's it, magkaka-inlovean na kayo, and that's your relationship. May ganun din when you're younger.
Okay. For a married man?
Yung same lang din, maybe when I was young, meron ako mga ganung fantasies.
I'm sure.
Pero hindi nagtatagumpay lahat.
Okay.
Parang at diba, parang pagbata ka pa, yung appealing sa'yo yung bad boy o yung bad girl. Tapos the older you get, it's like, you realize na that's not really what relationships are about.
So ngayon, Rian, ano na talaga? Although we all know naman na you're happy with your relationship now. Ano na yung na-realize mo at your age now, at your status now?
That, ayan na, ulitin. The right person for you will not tell you who to be, but they will inspire you to make yourself better and be a better person. Hashtag Megan Ryan.
Wow! Okay, thank you. Good luck and congrats.